Hello guys, welcome to Entry Brothers. So guys, in this video we will be understanding void pointers. So let's see. So a void pointer is a pointer that has no associated data type with it. So basically void pointer doesn't have any data type associated with it. What I mean, a void pointer can hold address of any type and can be typecasted to any type. For example, suppose I initialize a int variable equals to 10 and a character variable b equals to character x. So void pointer p can store the address of uh, variable int variable a, and p can also store the address of character variable b. So basically a void pointer can have address of any data type. So basically it is a type of a generic pointer. We also call it sometimes generic pointers. So now let's see what are the advantages of void pointers. So basically we use malloc and calloc functions in C++. So these function returns void pointers, and because as these function returns void pointer, so this allows these functions to use to allocate memory of any data type. So basically by using malloc and calloc function we can assign memory to any data type, and we can use that allocated memory by getting the address by typecasting it. All right, let's see. So for example, int main, we have declared a int. This is type of a int pointer variable, so this is not a type of void pointer. So basically this malloc will return here a int type pointer. So now let's see void pointer. So in this, suppose I have created a variable int x equals to 4 and a float y equals to 5.5, and also I have created a void pointer ptr and I have assigned it to the address of x. So now we are using our void pointer to store the address of an integer variable. All right, so if we will print the so as to print the value of x, so we have to dereference it. So this star is for dereferencing it, and also we have to typecast it to the variable that we want, that type of variable that we want, that is int. So we have typecasted, then we have dereferenced. So basically we will print integer variable equals to 4, and similarly I have uh, initialized this pointer to void pointer is now value of y, which is float, and this will return 5.5. all right, so second advantage of void pointer is void pointer in C are used to implement generic functions in C. For example, compare function, which is used in quicksort. So basically this is the advantage, so you can learn it. Or also if you want to solve the quicksort and use see how a void pointer is used, you can search on Google. All right, so now let's see some interesting facts about void pointer. So basically void pointer cannot be dereferenced. For example, suppose if this program, we run this program, suppose let's see what we are doing in this program. I am initializing a variable a and assigning it to 10, and then I have created a void pointer having the address of a. Then if we return this pointer, then we will have a compiler error, that is void star is not a pointer to object, because this is of a int type. So we must do typecasting. So if we do typecasting, then this output will be fine and no compile error will be generated. All right, so this is an important point, that void pointers cannot be dereferenced, they have to be typecasted to their particular data type. All right, now second point is the C standard doesn't allow pointer arithmetic with void pointers. However, in GNU C it is allowed. So by considering the size of void is 1. So basically what we mean here is, so in C standard void pointers doesn't have any size. So basically we cannot allow arithmetic operations to perform on them. So let's see. If this is a program that is running absolutely correctly, so I have created a int array of size 2, and then I have created a pointer variable void pointers and store the address of a. If I increase the pointer by the size of int, then it will point to, suppose initially it is pointing to this, then if I add the size of int, then it will go here and start pointing to this too. And if we print the dereference of this pointer, then output will be 2. So basically we can use arithmetics in GNUC. All right, so this is about void pointers. So I have covered basically all the points that we have to understand about void pointers, and it is an important point that void pointers in C are used to implement generic functions. So basically if you will go and see some if you go and see Linux source code on GitHub, then you will see there is a use of void pointers in large amount. All right, so this is the video on void pointers. Thanks for watching, and do like if you like the video. Thanks for watching.